YouTube is live. And TikTok is live. Okay, we're here. Let me guys know if you can hear everything okay. Mic levels, music levels. Anything sounds off, please let me know. Live, awesome. Double check Twitch. Live, beautiful. That bird outside is loud. Can you guys hear that? What's up? How's it going, guys? How's it going? Thanks for being here. That is weird. Wait, what is that? What is that at the bottom left corner? It's a gizmo of some sort. What in the world? What's up, guys? Thanks for being here. I'm trying to figure out what this gizmo is down here. You guys see that bottom left? It's clearly a gizmo. Which one is it though? What in the world? I've never even seen that before. What's up, Evelino? Is that Unreal Engine or this is Unity? Thanks for being here. Can you hear me okay? Mic level's okay, music level's okay. What is that? It's not the camera. Maybe canvas? No, I have canvas off. That is so weird. You're working on animation. This is a Lego game, so I'll just not worry about the gizmos for now. So this is a multiplayer Lego puzzle building, not puzzle. It's a multiplayer Lego game. And whoa, why does the camera keep rotating as I move this in? It's so odd. So the game is essentially, you're given a certain amount of Legos, so say 10 Legos, 12 Legos, 15 Legos, and then you have to build something out of the Legos that you're given. And then once you build something, you're timed maybe 30 seconds or a minute, and then you submit it. And then, so everyone else who's playing the game is receiving the same Lego blocks at the same time. So you all enter in at the same time. And once you submit your creation, all the creations get pooled into a central hub, probably my stream. And then you'll receive 2 more creations from that other people have created, and you'll vote on which one you like better. And then that voting system will eventually tally up all the votes and determine who the winner is from everyone who participated in the challenge. And I'm super excited about it. It's actually an IRL game that my wife and my son and I created. And I was like, I could create a mobile game of this. That would be so cool. And to play it live on stream with everyone. So that's what I'm working on. And I've been actually live streaming the game dev of this for the past few weeks. So if you guys are interested in checking out the VODs for that, they're on my YouTube. I'm currently streaming right now to Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok. So take your pick. I'm streaming to all of those 3 places right now. But for those that, actually, let me say hi. There's some new people in here. Hi kids, what's up? How's it going? Unity is fun to use but hard. Do you have any tips? I would say just watch a few tutorials like on YouTube. That's how I learned. And then just build. I wouldn't even say build a small game, because building a small game, scope creep can cause that to take a large chunk of your life. I don't even know. I would just say figure out how to do small things, not even a full game. I would just say watch a few tutorials, complete some tutorials on YouTube in Unity, and then after you've gotten a little more comfortable with the UI and the workspace of Unity, then just do something in Unity. Don't make a whole game, but just do something like, I'm going to figure out and teach myself how to make a box rotate 180 degrees on the y-axis every time I press spacebar. Just do that. Little small things like that, and it'll all build up, and eventually you'll get comfortable enough to where it's like, hey, I think I could build my own game. Cyanide, what's up? Use the wrong YouTube link in dev stream announcement. Wait, what? Oh, thank you so much, Cyanide. Appreciate you pointing that out. Whoopsie. Let me fix that. This might work. YouTube video, dupe. There, that works. Okay. I'll edit it. Thank you, Cyanide. You are the best. Guys, Cyanide is our head mod. He's awesome. He's been around like forever. There, that's better. Hey, some guy, thank you so much for the heart me on TikTok. Appreciate it. I'm gonna say hi to everyone and then I'll answer questions because there's a lot of people hopping in. Whoops, sorry. Boop. Dude, let's connect. I'm working on a Lego-based game for hospitalized kids. Whoa, Little Bricks charity guide, dude. Totally. Send me a DM. I respond to all my DMs. Please send me a DM. I would love to meet up. Tom Zap says, okay, thanks. Off topic, but swag hair. Also keep doing what you do. Thanks. I don't usually compliment my hair. Appreciate it. Hey, how you doing, man? I'm doing great. GD3MR, what's up? How's it going? The description reminds me of the Tetris 99 for some reason. Tetris 99. Pixel Flower. Hey, what's up? AEPBR, what's up? I'm doing great. Thanks for being here, guys. And thanks again, some guy named something, for the heart me. Appreciate that. Yeah, so this is what I've got so far. And for those that watched my last dev stream for this Lego game, I actually did a little bit of off-stream coding just to fix a few things that were causing us issues in the last stream. And I made things work a little better. So previously, if you select a Lego and drag it around, if you drag to a spot where there's no snap point, it will just be in the air like that. So previously it was also doing that in between snap points. So it would be like, so right here, you leave the Lego underneath, the big flat 16 by 16. You leave it, it hops into the air directly where the mouse is, which is great. But it was also doing that in between snap points, like jump to cursor, snap, jump to cursor, snap, jump to cursor, snap. So I made it so it only jumps to cursor if there's no other Lego underneath or connecting or attaching to the current Lego. So that fixed that. I additionally worked on the rotation code so that this now works better. So if you attach something to here, it works correctly and it will actually rotate to the snap point it's supposed to rotate to. And then once you move it, it will then rotate correctly to the next spot. So I think in the last stream, it was only rotating correctly on one axis or something like that. I can't quite remember, but that's fixed. And now I've also, I think I had this fancy rotate button in the last stream and we got it to rotate it. So let me actually show you that. So this is what, so that's what we had last stream where it would rotate correctly, which is exactly what we want. But last stream, it was every Lego block was rotating on the origin of the rotation was at the center of the Lego block. So right now, as you can see, it's rotating as if the center of the rotation is at the Lego block. So that's great, except, let's see. Let me find a good example here. If you have this piece, let me take this off just for clarity. If you have this piece and this piece attached like so, and then we want to rotate the block on the top, the way it was before, the origin of the rotation was at the center of the yellow block. So if we were to rotate it based on the center of the block, it would rotate and be about right there. And obviously that does not work. So there it's great, but if you rotate it by the center, it would be right in the middle, and obviously that doesn't connect. So what I did off stream yet last night and today was I made it so that each Lego block, so as you guys can see right here, let me turn gizmos back on. So you see when I move this blue Lego block around, there's those 3 little white spheres in there. That is pretty much showing every single different type of snap point on this Lego block. So if I hold down click here, you see the top point, which is a male. I'm pointing to my screen, but you guys can't see my screen. There's a sphere on the top bottom right blue point, which is a male. There's one on the very bottom, which is a female. And then there's another female on the top middle, but it's different because it's not. No, wait, is that a male? No, that's a male flat. Anyway, 3 different types. It's choosing all one of each. It's so hard to explain. It's choosing the closest snap points to the place where you're to the place where you're grabbing the block. So right now I'm grabbing this corner, but if I grab this corner, it'll choose different block or different snap points. So it's choosing the closest of each type of snap point to the place that you're grabbing it from. And then it's using those snap points, the white circle spots, to connect to other snap points in the game. So after you then let go, what I'm doing for the rotation origin is I am setting the rotation origin to be the snap point that the block is connecting to the other Lego block with. So right now, as you see right here, that point would be the white sphere at the bottom of the blue block, because that's where it's connecting. So that's the rotation point. So then when I click this fancy rotate button, it's gonna rotate around that origin point. There it is. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at that. And I figured that was the best way to handle the rotation, because as far as I can tell, I think that should always work for every Lego piece. So again, if I select here, now the new rotation origin is going to be that bottom right corner. So then when we rotate, it rotates around that point. So same thing, if I attach, let's see, let's move this over here. If I attach this piece here to there, it will now rotate around that point right there. Nice. Oh, I love it so much. I think that's the best way to handle the rotation, because ultimately the game can't know where you want to rotate the Lego block around. So like, let's say I have this connected like this. There's no way the game can, like, and you want to rotate this into a different rotation. There's no way the game can know if you want to rotate it. I know this is a different block, but just pretend it's a flat. There's no way that the game can know that, hey, the user wants to rotate it from the center and this be the new spot. Or if you're wanting to rotate it around the edge so that this is the new spot. So I'm just handling it. I'm just making the rotation happen based on how each Lego is connected to another Lego block. And I think that's the best way to do it. Obviously, you won't see anything because rotating it it's a 1x1 cylinder, so you wouldn't see it, but let's use this one. There you go. So it works, I think it works flawlessly for what we have so far. I don't think we'll come across anything in the future where this method of rotation would be bad, but we'll see. So far, it worked great. And I think this is the right way to do it. So yeah, that's what I've got. And let's see if there's anything else that I worked on off stream. I don't believe so. But at this point, everything is working really well. What I wanted to do for this stream is actually make the Lego blocks attached to each other. So if we attach green to gray, and then we move this piece, it will move the green piece with it. So that's what I want to tackle in this stream. So if green is connected to red, I should then be able to move red, and then green will come with it. So that's what we're gonna do now. Did I bore you guys with my rotation explanation? Did it even make sense? Catch up on chat real quick. Are these models straight from Mechabricks? No. So these are all mock-ups that I created in Blender. And yeah. Now I have used Mechabricks. Mechabricks the one I use? Yes, I have used Mechabricks for some things in the past. And I love the block. I love the models in Mechabricks. I'm actually trying to get a hold of the person that runs Mechabricks and owns it all to see if he/she, I don't know if it's who it is, but if he/she would be okay with me using Mechabricks blocks in this game, because I would love to. That would save me a ton of time not having to model every single Lego. So hopefully that's possible, but we'll see. I'm still trying to get in contact with them. App is this. This is a multiplayer Lego game I'm building. Use both Studio and Mechabricks. Both are satisfying to work with. Yes, I have tried both in the past as well, for sure. I like Mechabricks better than the Bricklink Studio, I think it's called, because Mechabricks has really good textures. I also think I like their geometry better, but I can't remember. You make sense, don't worry. I appreciate it. Did you know that there's more than 1 million combinations for a pair of 2x4 blocks? Really? Dang. What are you doing in games? So you receive a certain amount of Legos, say 12 Legos, and then you're given a theme, so you have to build a robot out of these 12 Legos. And then you and every other person that's playing the game at the same time is receiving the same Legos and the same theme. You have to build your creation, submit it, and then vote on 2 other creations, and then the game will tally up all the votes and supply everyone with the winner. The name, I have no idea. I don't know what the name of this is going to be. Please, I'm very much open to suggestions if you guys have any ideas for it. The only thing I've thought so far is like block battles or brick battles or something, but it doesn't sound catchy enough, or it's a little generic. I don't know. I did a report on Lego in school. Oh, cool. What was it about? Yeah, this will be on the Google Play Store and for Android and the App Store for iOS. Oh, this is your first time seeing the game. That's cool, APVR. That's awesome. Cyanide, what great news do you have? Thought this was about Legos, not the birds and bees. Let's make freaking lose it. What's up? No, lots of birds and bees in this. We talk about males and females all the time. Because every single, so look, so let's have that conversation again. So this red Lego block, 2x4, has 8 males on top. It has 7 females on bottom. And this 2x2 block right here, the 5 females on the bottom are connecting to 4 males on the top of the red block. If you need any clearer explanation than that, then just let me know. Lego company from its origins. Oh, cool. That's cool, Darkner. Brick Battle sounds like a fighting game. Yeah, it does. Well, I mean, you are fighting other players. For first place, I guess. Cyanide, what is your great news? Tell me. You gotta tell me. Okay, so let's make these blocks actually connect to each other. As with everything, there are tons of ways we could do this. I think the simplest, most straightforward way would be to just parent blocks to other blocks once they connect. So this 2x2, if I parent it to the 2x4, just place it under. It's now a child, so now anytime we're getting an error there. Anyway, it's now a child, so now anytime I move this red block, you guys can see this, right? Yep. Anytime I move the red block, then it'll move the blue block with it. The only problem with that I don't like is that in the hierarchy, which you can't see in TikTok, but you can see on YouTube and Twitch, is then it changes the hierarchy. So we could have a Lego under a Lego under Lego under Lego. I don't like that. It's not very clean. The cleaner way to do it would be to have a script on each block. And whenever I want one block to be connected to the other, or I could have a parent constraint so that all the Legos stay off on their own and not underneath each other. There could be a parent constraint, and then that parent constraint parameters change based on what it's attached to. What do you guys think? Any suggestions? Bro paid attention in school. I actually did not go to school for this stuff. This is all self-taught. There used to be a wooden toy company. Really? I know they're super old, like 1800s, I'm pretty sure. But I didn't know it was wood. Brick Builders for a name? Brick Builders. I like the name Block better than Brick. What do you guys think? Do you guys like Brick better or Block better? I can't use the word Lego for obvious reasons, but Brick or Block? Brick sounds so like a real brick. And if all the pieces were pieces like this, then Brick, I guess, would make sense. Or even this, Brick would make sense. But there's other pieces like hinges, there's wheels and tires. And I feel like Block would be better because blocks, I don't know, maybe Brick would be better. I don't know. Hello, 1x1 Lego Brick. It's Brick. What's up, Foregone? How's it going? And Hero Shift, what's up? 2 new first-time Jazz and Twitch at the same time. Sorry about the delay, but I've officially finished school. I got done with my final day, and all I have left is graduation. That is awesome, Cyanide. High school, right? Dude, that is sick. Congratulations. Don't invent new words for already established things. You will just... Well, I can't use the word Lego, because that would be a copyright infringement, and I wouldn't be able to publish the game. So it has to be Brick or Block. Or something else. Nothing much. Finished work, sitting, waiting for tomorrow's workday. Okay. Limbalstein? What is that? Prefer Unity over Unreal? Yes, because that's all I know. I started with Unity years and years ago, back when Unreal Engine was not free. So back when I first started learning game design, I chose Unity because it was free, and Unreal was not. So I went with Unity, learned it, and I'm just comfortable with it. I've been using it for a while now, so that's why I use Unity. I have really wanted to learn learn Unreal, but I just have not had the time to do that yet. Command Starlight, what's going on? How's it going? Okay, so how to connect these blocks so that one moves with the other. Let's start out and just do the parenting technique. It's not as clean, but that's really just a back-end thing. I don't think that should cause any problems. They're parented. Unless they are parented and I delete the parent. Wait, I don't think I'm going to allow players to delete Legos. Unless it's in sandbox mode or practice mode. Because then if you delete the parent, it's going to delete all the Lego blocks attached to it, which is bad. In the delete command, I could just unparent everything above it or below it and then delete the object. So that's not too big a deal. I'm trying to think if there's any other issues we'd run into if I just parent blocks together. No way to have a glue material that can break. Minecraft but with Lego blocks. That would be cool. That would be really cool. Well, I guess that's kind of the current version of Lego Fortnite, but like more intense. You always put the game in like a beta mode first. Oh, 100%. This is almost ready, almost to a point where I would love for you guys to jump on board and start testing this out with me on stream or off stream. If you guys are interested in that, please join the Discord. You can find the link in my description of the video or in my bio link. Yeah, I also have a website called pixelfiregames.com. Let me show you guys. pixelfiregames.com. And this website, you can get a membership, and there are a ton of different perks you get. The coolest perk, I think personally, is just the name and credits of every single game I develop. So this being one of them. So once I actually need to do that. I want to do that soon. I need to make the menu screen for this game and put the credits in there, because what's going to happen is all of my games are going to connect to the database of memberships on this site. So if you're a member, then you will automatically be listed in the credits of all the games. So you can literally go on your phone, open the game, play the game, go into the credits, and then see your name there in the credits. I think it's a super cool perk for these memberships. But there's a ton of other stuff you can get for memberships. But yeah, check that out. And let's keep going. Yeah, you don't have to become a member. You can just join the Discord. That's free. Might be interested. We've talked before about my character for your software. Oh, okay, cool, Jasper. Yeah, so that's another thing I need to start working on soon, is the VTuber app. What's cool is a lot of the stuff that I'm developing for this Lego game can be repurposed for the VTuber app. So like room building. So drag and drop objects. Yeah, I've already got a system built right here, so we can use this for environment building in the VTuber app. So really cool stuff. I like creating things where I can repurpose it to be used in something else. In something else. Okay, so let's actually parent blocks. Whoa. Can you guys see that? Let me make this a little smaller. Gotta make sure this is good for TikTok, for vertical and for horizontal. Perfect. That'd be cool. I would love to build a heavy machinery cab and a few car interiors. Oh, cool. What perspective is this going to be in? Are you like in God mode, or are you like a Lego person? No, you're not a Lego person. So it'll be like this. So let's make this more of a phone size. So it'll be like this. It's literally this perspective right here. This is what you'll see on your phone. But of course, you'll do the movement with your fingers and your thumbs and stuff, not with a mouse. I think I'm going to make it so that you can zoom in and out eventually, as well as pan left, right, up, and down. But right now, all you can do is just orbit around the center of the world. Free cam, yep, totally. That's what it'll be. Okay, let's parent this. Okay, so the parent needs to happen. When does it need to happen? Let's see. Not while we're dragging around. It needs to happen when you let go. So on mouse up. So on snap on ray up. No, on the block code. Let's see. On ray up. Okay, it needs to happen somewhere in here. So if ray down on this object, so yes, somewhere in here. Not dragging. We are dragging, so it needs to happen in here. So if we're dragging, yes. If intersecting another block, no. If we're not intersecting, so it might need to be in an else right here. And then it sets dragging to false. So yeah, it needs to be before all this and else. Yes, let's do that there. Okay, perfect. So we're already in the block script, so we need to set the parent. So transform of this block, set parent, set the parent of this block to the block we're connecting to. And I already have access to that via the snap point the block is connected to, which we feed in right here. So we set parent to snap point block is connected to, but not the snap point to the block. So transform parent. That should do it. Make this bigger. So on Ray up, when we let go of the mouse and we're dragging an object and we're not intersecting, because intersecting is bad, that's when the outline turns red. That's when a Lego block is not realistically connected to another block. So like it's like inside another Lego block, which obviously I couldn't do in real life, but yeah. So if we're not intersecting, so everything's peachy, then set the parent of the current block object to the block that is the parent of the snap point block is connected to. Perfect. That should do it. Let's test it out. Let's see. Okay, grab, boop. Okay, yep, it moved over here in the hierarchy. Now let's select this. Why can't I select that block? Whoa, 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 whoa. Something is going on here. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. For each child in transform. Each child in transform. If I move this to there, and then in the hierarchy we go into Lego 2x4. Oh, Lego 2x4 is looking for snap point children, but that is not a snap point child. For each transform, get component snap. Yeah, so okay, so the Lego block doesn't have the snap component. So what I need to do is for each transform child in transform, this is where we're looking for the snap points. The error is that it's looking for a snap component on the Lego block that's now a child of it, and there isn't one, so it's throwing an error, I believe. What we need to do is if child get component snap does not equal null. So if it's actually a snap point as a child, then run that code. Otherwise, i.e. Lego block as a child, don't do anything. I think that should work. Well, that'll get rid of that error. We'll see if there's any more errors. I'm going to gift you one of these days once I get paid. Oh, thanks, Marcus. Appreciate it. No obligation, though. Physics engine and explodable parts would be sick in something like this. Interesting. Let's see if this works. And then I'll comment on that. Okay, no errors. It works. Yes, and there's no errors. Oh, so this error that you see right here, Unity remote. So actually, this is something that I tried doing. Off stream was actually using Unity remote. Unity remote is an app on your phone to actually play the game you're developing in Unity on your phone. So I started setting that up and I got it working, but I'm gonna start doing that soon, but I wanna work some more stuff out on my PC first before I start testing on mobile. But this works. Look at that. Look at that. Let's try some more crazy stuff. Look at that, guys, it works. Let's try some weird rotation stuff. Oh, if I rotate it, it should work. Let's see. Yes, it works. Everything is moving with it. Oh, that's awesome. Except for that. Boop. Why is 1x1 round not parented to the gray? Now it is. Oh, when I rotate a block, for some reason it's unparenting it. So boom, that's parented to that. But then when I rotate this, boom, it's not parented to this. Yes, interesting. When I rotate a block, it unparents itself. What is my rotation code doing? Rotation. Oh, right here. Here we go. So I'm setting the parent to the origin, to the snap, to the rotation origin, which is what I explained at the beginning of stream, how we're now rotating blocks around that origin snap point. But then unparent the block and destroy the origin. So what it's doing is it's just completely removing its parent. Okay, so that's exactly where we're going wrong. So what I need to do is before I run this code, I need to store a reference to what it's currently parented to, and then at the end of this, parent it back to that. So let's do that. Is the transform resetting the parenting? That's another thing that I thought, Dylan. Appreciate the idea. That was gonna be my next guess, but it's definitely this right here. No worries, Cyanide. Cyanide, if you didn't hear me earlier, dude, that is awesome. And huge congrats. Was that high school that you graduated from? I believe it's high school. But that's awesome. Huge congrats. Where did the music come from? That is Stream Beats. That's just background music. That is not in-game music. You guys can still hear this, right? It's all coming together. Appreciate it, Marcus. The Lego cam is so cool. Thanks, Jay. Oh, Marcus, thanks for the roses. You are too kind. Are you going to make your own music for your game? Oh, totally. I am not going to make it. I have a guy. His name is Ryan. He is actually a professional music maker. That's not the word. Music maker. He's a professional music maker. No, he writes music professionally. That's a better way to say it. He writes music professionally. I've actually hired him as a contractor on a lot of stuff that I've worked on in the past. Contracts that I've done in a lot of visual effects, movies, TV shows that I've worked on. Animations. He actually created the music for my Lego Star Wars video. Let me show you guys that. Channel. Oh no! I just messed up the music. Oh no, I didn't. Okay, you guys can still hear music. Okay. So this video right here. Where is it? Which, if you guys have not seen this yet, please watch this video. Because I spent like 1.5 years on this video. Where is it? Videos. This one right here. Introducing Lego Pixel Fire. It's literally only 2.5 minutes long, and it took me 1.5 years. It's super cool, I think. And the music in it, Ryan created completely from scratch. He's incredible. So I'm going to get him to create the music for this game. So yeah. If you guys have not seen this, please check it out. Please. Stuff is so frustrating. I worked 1.5 years on this, and it's got 1,200 views. That's so sad. Oh, it makes me so sad. Yeah, please guys, go watch that video. Either, yeah, when the stream's over, go watch that video, please. Or later tonight or something. I don't know. Just, yeah. Check out Afterlife. Awesome, Marcus. Appreciate it. Are you thinking open world where people can just build the world, or is it going to be store-based? Oh, this game? No. This is a very, very, very simple game. It's literally this view right here. It's literally, this is what you're going to see on your phone. I mean, it'll look better. But, ooh, I should work on the materials for these blocks, too. Because they're obviously not glossy enough. It's going to be this view. All you can do is move around, zoom in and out, pan around, and you're given, like, 10 to 15, maybe 20